Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So there are a couple of ways to do this quickly. The first way, click on the first row number on the left side where you want to insert rows, then hold Shift and click on the last row number to select multiple rows at once. So for example, if I would want to insert, let's say 6 rows, I will click on the first row number, then while holding Shift, I will click on 6. Now, I will right click on the selection and I will see insert 6 row above and below. Click whichever one you need. For example, I will select insert 6 rows above. Now, all the 6 rows will get added at once. The key thing here is however many rows you select is how many rows you get inserted. For example, if you need just 2 rows above 4, I will simply click on 4 and hold down Shift and select one more row. So I selected 2 rows. Now I'll right click and I get to insert 2 rows above this or below this. Select whichever one you want and you can easily insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.